Hey guys, Tom at Snake River Base. I want to talk a little bit more about the skills we need to start into base jumping. I've already talked about free fall skills, tracking, opening, heading. I want to talk a little more about canopy skills, the things that you can do at the drop zone or paragliding, speed flying, some other canopy environment, but the things you can do under canopy to practice to transition into base. The first one, and you probably heard this from everyone at the drop zone, is to practice your accuracy. You need to be able to hit relatively small landing areas in a very tight space. That means you need to practice steep approaches with the toggles down, coming down between trees, street lights, buildings, and it means you need to be able to put the canopy down within, 2 inches of where you want it if possible. Seriously, if you can put the canopy down within 15 feet of your intended target every single time, you're probably doing well. It's always best to practice these skills on a big 7-cell F111 canopy. That's like an accuracy canopy at the drop zone. In fact, if there are some old accuracy guys at the drop zone, you know the guys I'm talking about? Guys who look like they've been doing the same thing since the 1970s, got a leather frap head on their head, looks like they're wearing a condom on their head. Those guys know a ton about accuracy, and they're happy to teach you if you just go ask. Go find those guys at your drop zone, tell them you're interested in accuracy, and ask them for some advice. Spend some time with them and learn how to shoot accuracy well, like an old school classic accuracy jumper, because that's what you're going to have to do in the base environment. Don't get hung up downsizing, swooping, being a hot free flyer, when what you really want to do is transition into base. If you're looking to train skills that will transfer into base, work on old, boring stuff like accuracy.